Leader 1 assembly video. First thing you want to do is make sure you've got these two upper leg pieces, and you'll notice that they're going to kind of go at a V like this. That way the legs, when they come down, they get farther apart. So you want to make sure that the right one here, the bottom thruster kind of leans to the left, and the left one kind of leans to the right. That will keep those straight when they come out. Also, you want to make sure that this little piece on the back is actually on the back, and what that will do is it will tighten the legs as they go up and keep it from coming off. Here we go. So let's put in the first piece. And pull it nice and tight. Alright, you're going to want some filament too. Let me grab some. I'm sure we all have some filament laying around. These will be used for the wings and for holding the legs on. Next thing we're going to do is go ahead and put these legs in. Notice the right one hinges on the right side. I would cut this at a sharp angle. Don't poke yourself, but it helps to go in if it's sharp. I like to put it from the front side. Just kind of twist it. Keep your finger out of the way so you don't poke yourself. There we go. Just coming out the back. And just clip that off. Clip the front off. Now you can see we got the leg. It's nice and tight because it's brand new. There we go. Next thing we can do is we can put the arms in. You're going to want to make sure that you're looking at it with these little cutouts. You see those little cutouts? They should be facing you, and make sure that when they lift up there's an opening on the inside area like that, because they're going to hinge down like this with the arms. And we're looking at it from the back view, so we're going to go to the back of this and we're just going to shove it through there. By the way, depending on your printer, you may need to just file the inside of that a little bit on the top if there's any of the supports left over. This printer prints pretty clean. There we go. Just push this through till it's in the center. You can see this little notch here is going to line up with this. And then once we do that, take the longer one of these. You have some shorter ones as well. We're going to take the longer one. It goes right in the middle. Easiest way to do this, some pliers. It's a nice snug fit. And I just shove it in from there. Now the arms won't come out. Next thing we're going to do is the arms. So again, make sure this is folding the correct direction with the piece, the little cutout on the back, and the opening right here, like that. It just goes right in this hole. It lines up with this little cutout here, you see. There we go. And we're going to go ahead and tuck it in place like that. While we're doing that, take this little peg, start feeding it into that hole. And you can gently, if you want, do it like that. There we go. Now the arm tucks into place. go ahead and do the other one. Make sure again that that is going the right direction. Take the little peg. There we go. Now we can do nose cone. You'll see here it lines up with the hinges back here. And we'll put a piece of filament to hold it. If it's a bit tight, sometimes it can be. Just use your pliers. Be careful putting your thumb here. I've jabbed myself before. When it comes out, it's sharp. Put this up to get some leverage here. Start over with a new piece. I've bent that one. There we go. That one's going in nicely. Well, looks like it's all the way through. There we go. And the arms have these little pegs. Go right into the side there. At the same time, it tucks up underneath this right here. Just like that. And that helps to keep the nose from falling down. All that's left now is the wings. I like to go from the top down. This is not, there we go, get it lined up. It's kind of lined up. Sometimes the pliers help. Need a little force to get it through there. There we go. There we go. Got our leader one. You can hold it here and pull them down nice and tight. Legs go back, arms come down, head, and he's good to go.